Welcome to the project management section of our website. This area is focused on providing proven solutions for everyday problems found in the warehouse and logistics sector. These solutions are designed to be delivered using your own in-house team and includes videos, data sheets and other relevant resources. Typical examples of problems we address are walkways that wear out too quickly, expansion joints that fail, leading to edge damage, potholes that need repairing but are in high traffic areas and need a one-time fix with minimum downtime. We have created simple, downloadable guides for each specific repair item. These include a step-by-step guide along with a helpful checklist of what you need to order. If you cannot see your specific problem answered, please feel free to send a few pictures with a brief description of the problem, or simply pick up the phone and talk to us, and we'll be very glad to help. Within the team here, we have a huge wealth of resource to draw on, and it's experience gained from real-life scenarios. We hope you find this resource useful and look forward to supporting you.